Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're coming to my page, my video, I'm Stephanie Costa. I like to do subscription box videos, and I try to do makeup videos, like makeup look videos every now and then when I can. But it's about to be a winter break, so I should have some videos coming up soon. So today's video is the December 2019 Ipsy Ultimate, right? This is the Ultimate, I believe it's Ultimate. Ipsy Ultimate unboxing. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with what's in the box. So like always, there's a pamphlet with all the items in the box this month. So lately, or since October, since they released the Ultimate, they have not put prices on the pamphlets, but now I guess they heard everybody complaining about it. They do now have the prices on the pamphlet, and they also have which ones are full size and which ones are deluxe samples. Okay, so let's start off with the bag that came in the box this month. So last month was, I think, the bigger what is it, train case, a leopard one. This one is like a kind of like a regular size makeup bag. I would probably use this to put brushes in. Definitely not as good as last month's, but I might still get some use out of it. Right now I'm just using the Kylie makeup bag, and I might just switch it up a bit. So that's always nice to get like these makeup bags in every month. So next is the Feel Beauty Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Mask. It's a set of 4 like this, and the set of 4 is valued at $35. So now with my videos, I think I'm going to start seeing if I can get like more information about like who creates the brand. So what I have about the Feel Beauty is that the founder is Mark Zabel, and the company is based in Canada. That's all I could find about Feel Beauty. I think they're somewhat like a newer brand. So these are charcoal sheet masks with active charcoal to cleanse and detoxify the skin. I just ran out of sheet masks, so these will definitely be getting some use during winter break. Next in the box is this 111 Skin Harley Street London Cryo Activating Hydrogel. I'm guessing this works like a moisturizer, and it comes in a decent size. Now the value for this product is $200. So from the past of me getting some 111 Skin products, I have noticed they are on the more expensive side. I've gotten some sheet masks from them that were really pricey, but never in my life would I probably go and spend $200 on a like moisturizer. Now, to give them some credit, the owner is, I'm probably gonna butcher his name, but the owner is Dr. Yanis Alexandris, something like that, and he is a cosmetic surgeon, so maybe he knows things about the formula that might help this company stand out from other skincare product companies. But again, I don't know. It would have to be a miracle product for me to spend like more than $50 on any skincare product. Another thing I thought was interesting about this brand is I was curious of like what 111 Skin meant. So 111 is actually the street number on Harley Street in London, and that's where the company is based from. So apparently this moisturizer is to retexture, plump, protect, and balance the skin. It has lotus root and aloe vera, which soothes irritating skin. It also says it has ultra filling sapphires, which smooth the look of fine lines and uneven skin texture, like a filter to your face. Alright, well, we will see later if this product is possibly even worth the $200, but I honestly highly doubt it. So next in the box is a Complex Culture. It's a contour and a blush brush. And what I found about this company is that it's actually like Ipsy's company. And Complex Culture is vegan and cruelty free, and this brush is valued at $35. Next in the box is Morphe, which obviously I don't really have to explain much about the company. I think we've all heard about Morphe over Instagram and YouTube and everywhere. So this is a, what's this? 8L Lo-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer palette. So it has like bronzer and contour shades, and then it also has highlight shades right here. So I just want to give the highlight shades a quick like swatch, if I may. Where should I do this? I'm gonna do it on my wrist. See that? So that's the shade Lit. This one is the shade Stardust, which looks like a bit more like purple shade on the bottom there. Then there's Supernova. Which is more of a bronze glitter. And then Cosmic, which is more of a vanilla, lighter than the bronze shade highlight. Definitely shades that could work on my skin tone. So if you don't know, with Morphe is actually owned by a brother and sister. Their names are Chris and Linda Towell. I don't know how to pronounce her last name. But yeah, they're brother and sister. And Morphe actually started as a trade show business, or they would try to sell their products at trade shows. So that's pretty interesting. Now they are obviously very successful now. So this Sculpt and Shimmer palette is $25, which is very reasonable price for how much you get. This will last me probably forever, to be honest. Next in the box is Skin & Company Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. I think that's how that's pronounced. This is valued at $28. So the person that owns Skin & Co. is Gabriel Balestra, and the company's based in Italy. He gets ingredients from family farms. I thought that was pretty interesting. And he's also partnered with, I'm probably gonna butcher this, but the University of Bologna, I don't know, Bologna, and that's where they make, I guess, the formulations for the products. So I think this is a pretty good size for 28 bucks. And I think this is an exfoliator. So now more than ever, your skin needs exfoliation, but it also needs hydration. Enter this Gommage fancy speak for nourishing scrub. Superfine apricot seed powder gently exfoliates, while sweet almond oil, olive oil, and truffle extract hydrate and protect. So you start with clean, dry skin. So you don't do it when your skin's wet. Yep, this scrub is meant to be worked in for a minute or two without water, at least until you rinse it away. So it's a dry skin face scrub? I don't think it clarified whether it was, yeah, okay, it is a face scrub. Okay, I'll definitely have to remember that when I get to it, because I usually scrub my face when my skin is wet in the shower. So looking forward to trying this out. Next in the box is this, I think it's Fluide. It's Fluide with an E at the end. So it's a liquid lipstick in the shade Candy Bar, which I am wearing it now. Definitely pretty close to my natural lip shade itself, so I can definitely get day-to-day use on this product. So I actually liked the overall like motto of this company, is just what they stand for. Their goal is to make makeup for men, women, them, everybody, no matter what gender you are. And they're cruelty free and free of parabens and phthalates, which is definitely what I'm looking forward to with most of the makeup that I get. And so the founders are Laura Kraber and Isabel Giancarlo, and they're based in Brooklyn, New York. And they actually met while I think they worked together in a creative agency. But yeah, I definitely like what this company stands for, and I think I might look into more of their products. Oh, and this goes for $16. Next in the box is this Girlactik 3-in-1 Sparkle Balm. So I've heard Girlactik. I think Kathleen Lights has bought them up a few times. I think I've actually tried one of their highlighters, which was actually pretty good. So these are the 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm Duo in Periwinkle and Twinkle. And these are $34. I'm assuming it's for both. So I did put this on top of that Fluide liquid lipstick. And you can't really see it much on camera, but in person you can see it. I only put the purple shimmer one on top of the lips. So I'm just gonna apply this on my hand. So that is the purple one right there. What shade is that? That's Periwinkle, and the shade Twinkle is that right there. So I'll definitely use these as a lip topper. It says you could also apply it under lip gloss. So the founder of Girlactik is Galit Strugano. I know I'm butchering these names so bad, but bear with me. She's a mom of 3 and a wife. The company is based in California, and she started her business with only $1,800. So these will definitely probably get some use out of me for a while. Next in the box is a Illamasqua. I think it's Illamasqua. I thought I had this before, but it turns out I only have like a lipstick from this brand. So it is a liquid liner that goes for $22. I think it's a felt tip. Now it did apply very good, but I did notice that it did transfer like a little bit onto my eyelid, but besides that, it did apply very well. So Illamasqua is founded by Julian Kinaston. Anyways, he didn't have any prior experience with makeup, but he wanted to, I guess, give women permission to be bold, loud, and proud about their makeup. So that's just kind of what his overall company stands for. So his liquid eyeliner definitely does have a good formulation. It just not as quick drying as other liquid liners that I have tried before. So next in the box is this Pixi by Petra. It's Mesmerizing Mineral Duo in Naturally Nude. I have received like a duo like this before, and I think it was from Ipsy. So I'm not going to open this. I'm actually going to throw this in the future giveaway box that I'll do one day. So this is just a duo shadow deluxe sample. I think you get 2-3 deluxe samples usually in the ultimate box, and they are both shimmer shades. I wasn't a huge fan of the one that I got before, so this is why I'm kind of just like moving it on to someone else. But if you don't know who Pixi Beauty's founder is, her name is Petra Strand. The company was launched in London. She's a mother of 4, and she paid her way through makeup school with modeling. Next in the box is this Space Case Cosmetics Seen from Space highlighter in 1E. So it's just a pretty average highlighter. I do have it on my cheekbones, and it is very nice. It does look pretty natural. Well, for me, it blends well with my skin. That's what I'm trying to say. And this is the swatch. So I actually do like this highlighter very well. I have so many highlighters that not enough probably to like stand out compared to a lot of them, but definitely one that isn't too blinding. So what I found out about this company is the founder is Samara Granovsky. She also founded 2 other companies called Trust Fund Beauty, which is a nail polish. And what I liked about that is that she wanted to create these nail polish because her mother went through chemotherapy and her mother's nails were yellow. So I guess I'm assuming that they would put on nail polish a lot. And so that's kind of the inspiration for her company. She also founded a brand called Nature's Cartel. So her products are non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free, and her company is based in Canada. Oh, and this is full size, and it's $9. Next in this box is a teeny little deluxe sample size. The packaging is actually really cute though. So this is by Banila company. It's a Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Original. So balm, that makes me think of makeup remover. Is this like a makeup remover? Starts as a balm, transforms into an oil, then into a milky lotion that dissolves all dirt, oil, and makeup. So it does remove makeup. Plus the hypoallergenic formula is safe and gentle for all skin types. Okay, so the full size for this is $19. This is just deluxe sample. All I could find out about the company is that it is a Korean beauty company owned by F&F, if that means anything to you. All right, last and not least is a Delectable by Cake Beauty Triple Citrus Blend Butter Balm Hand Cream. I used to not be very into hand creams, but I find it very useful when I'm in my car. I'm always like complaining that my hands are dry, so I usually keep those in the car for when I need them. So this is a deluxe sample, and it says dry chapped hands, not today. Okay, this ultra rich hand cream nourishes and moisturizes with shea butter and fruit oils for the silky smooth skin of your dreams. So this brand did look familiar to me. I think they do have their products at Ulta, I think, because I've definitely noticed like this packaging, it definitely stands out compared to a lot of ones. So the founder of Cake Beauty, her name is Heather Ryer, something like that. They're now working with Marc Anthony Company, which I have tried Marc Anthony Company's shampoo and conditioner before. The brand is vegan and cruelty free. Okay, so that is it for this month's Ipsy box. I calculated the total, and the total, excluding the deluxe sample size items, the overall value of this month's box is $404. You pay, what, $50 a month for this? And I just got $404 value of products plus some samples. That's pretty good. So I'm going to leave a referral link or referral code or something down in the description box if you want to sign up. I'm definitely 100% happy now that they added the prices and which ones are deluxe samples, because before sometimes it was hard to tell. I'm glad that Ipsy did listen to their subscribers, and I thought I wasn't going to be like excited about these products, well, you know, when I was told what I was getting in the box, but I'm actually quite excited to try out some of these products. Once like learning about who like the founders are, it makes you a bit more intrigued about their products, if that makes sense. All right, so yeah, that is it for this December 2019 Ipsy Ultimate unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, por favor, and like, did I say like this video already? I think I did. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.